good hump day. So I'm around today to let you all know that I've received this new package from this brand by the name CureSkin, and basically CureSkin is a skin regime. And let me tell you, they also have these different regimes for hair care as well. So I've opted for the skin for now. They do a complete analysis of your skin, and that's conducted by dermatologists, and they check your skin, they analyze, and as per your skin concern they provide you this complete regimen. So yeah, let me quickly show you. This is how the package looks like, and you can find them on Instagram by the name of CureSkin app, in case you're also looking at solving any of your skin or hair related issues. And yeah, I will be starting on the treatment plan tonight onwards, and I'll keep you guys posted on how this works for me. They do deliver these treatment plan boxes during the lockdown as well, so feel free to have a chat with them. They have a 24/7 support who can help resolve all your queries, and check them if your pin code is in the zone in which deliveries are allowed. Okay, bye.